decided to go from one tether at each of the four corners to two tethers roughly on the CG line. I'm anxious to test like this because I know the four tethers at each corner are very strong. Two should be just fine though, with a combined ground pull of over 280 kilograms needed to move them. Let's see how this goes. Wow, I really felt that I was controlling that there. The controls were reacting how they should react. I'm absolutely buzzing after that test. Feels so good. I'm starting to think I might be able to get this. Those central tethers make a huge difference. I'm still pressing the yaw pedals the wrong way. The initial reaction is the opposite of what it needs to go. But I was looking forward that time, fixated on something in front of me instead of looking down at the skids, which seems to be working. Let's try it again. So the next couple attempts didn't really progress any. You get these single moments or two where the tethers aren't interfering with the flight, and it's those moments where you can learn the most. I don't feel I've made any more progress. The wind's picking up a bit, which isn't helping. I'm having to push forward on the cyclic and it's getting quite fatiguing, so there's obviously either the balance or perhaps the drivetrain sticking out the back. Maybe that's making me have to push forward all the time. I may have to add more weight on the front. It's already 1.8 degrees nose heavy, but maybe it needs more. When you're in the air, all the controls feel quite light, but when you're on the ground, they're quite stiff to operate, maybe twice as hard. Other than that, I'm pretty pleased. This drive frame sticking out the back of the mast is obviously causing an imbalance. It's something I overlooked because I thought, considering how much weight there is pulling downwards, it wouldn't matter. Andrew in the comments brought it to my attention, so let's measure its effect. The drive weight is causing a 0.7 degree aft tilt, and this is what I'm having to counteract. It took around 4 kilograms of cyclic stick force to bring the mast level. I can sort this imbalance by either adding weight to the frame at the front, or I can use springs on the frame or on the cyclist stick itself. I've determined that 5.5 kilograms hanging 12 inches on the frame is close to counterbalancing the system. That's quite a bit of weight, and it would be much easier to use springs, but springs could possibly affect the handling. I just want to say thanks for all the comments I've had, they've been really helpful. See you next time.